Bay. So today 5:15. Today to think about for those who fought and sacrificed for the country. Fought and sacrificed for the country. So this is about Australia and New Zealand. They have early ceremony. Our soldiers, father, mother, breakfast, brother, sister. It's kind of tradition in Australia country, especially without them, as we are now. It's gonna be pretty hectic, but I'm happy to feed Canberra. In Australia, especially in the capital here, there's a war memorial. There's a alright, then I'll see you in the kitchen. You see the rainbow light? Braddon is we have one of the well-developed suburbs in the civic area. It's very famous. Morning, morning, brother. Morning. Oh, nice and early today.
Yeah,
Looking good, man.
yeah, extremely tired.
Yeah, of course. I want to take a moment. Everybody take a moment here. Pray for him. First order, Left Benedict. Okay, you order another faithful and left Benedict. Oh my lord. Tài lao. Hey. Oh, hi Sammy.
이게 지금 투
오케이.
페이스북 하는데 하나 노 JB 여기 토마토 소스거든? 하나 더 줘야 돼. 초리조 히야? 니2 초리조 each. 아니 2 more here. 때문에요. Anyway, don't worry. That's good. Really? Kitchen was really good. Kitchen was really good. He's smashing it, no?
Yeah, rescue beef.
Okay, win one, huh?
How cool is that? Thank you.
Come and get you. Come and get you. Yeah. Jack dance.
Anzac dance.
안작데이. 바쁜 서비스를 마치고 집으로 걸어가는데 공휴일이라고 또 사람들 나와서 엄청 맥주 먹고 시티는 폭적폭적합니다. 오늘 좀 구름이 있는데 그래도 날씨는 아주 좋고요. 진라면. Friday. Just never appetite at work, you know, because I'm cooking food. 2.25. As you can see, 2.25 cups. Water. I normally when I put water, I put flakes and this soup mix as well. Today I'm going to show. And as the packet says, put some spring onion. I love shallots, so I put a lot. Yeah, just let it boil. A packet of noodle ready here. And I'm going to shallot ready. So this one, you break them, make egg mix, crack 1 egg. Red chili. You put a little bit vinegar in the water. What vinegar does is separating from to chili as well. Right. So see, now it's water boiling. It's really quick. And I'll add so, you know, the water vinegar keep the water nice and clear. Otherwise, without the vinegar, when you put poached eggs, cloudy. Just a dash. And add noodles. Broken half. Beautiful kimchi. So it's also up to you. I like my noodle a little bit undone. You say andante in Italian pasta. Somebody want really well done, and it's really up to you. This kimchi, remember, put a little vinegar before you putting eggs in. And if you like more flavor, like salty and nice and strong, put less water. If you like mild and not too much salty, then you put more water. It's all about how you want them. But the thing is, sorry, I bought this box from Korean supermarket, E-Mart. Add all the shallot and chili at the end.